So a good way to look at fractions is to think about how we call it. Let's not focus too much on how it is written. Let's focus on how it is actually said. One third. So what does one third mean? As you can see here, one is how many. How many? Third is the name. Third is what you have when you split a whole into three equal parts. When you split a whole into three equal parts, each part is a third. Now, when you carve out three equal parts out of one whole, each part is called a third. All right? Now, how many thirds are we talking about? Think of apples. How many apples? One apple, two apples, three apples, four apples. When I say one apple, you're going to show me an apple and give it to me. When I say two apples, you're going to show me two apples and give them to me. When I say one third, you're going to know what third means. Third means what you get when you split a whole into three equal parts. So to get third, you simply get a whole, split it into three equal parts, and one part of it is going to be one third. Two apples is going to be two apples, and two of this is going to be two thirds. Okay, two thirds. The whole of this is going to be the whole once again because you split the whole into three equal parts. When you have those three parts together, you have the whole once again. You divide an apple into eight slices. When you bring those eight slices together, you get the whole apple, right? Now, this is called two fifths. Now, fifth is what you get when you split a whole into five equal parts. Fifth is what you get when you split a whole into five equal parts. So, we have split this whole into five equal parts. This is going to be called one, right? We're taking just one of this. And this is called a fifth. That's the name of this, a fifth. So this is one fifth, just as you have one finger, two fingers, three fingers, four fingers. One fifth, two fifths. So when I say two fifths, I mean split this whole into two equal parts, into five equal parts. Give me two of them. Give me two apples. You're going to get some apples and pick two out of them and give to me. Give me two fifths. You split a whole into five equal parts and give two to me. Now let's talk about three eighths. Once again, eighth is what you get when you split a whole into how many equal parts? You guessed it, eight equal parts. So when you split a whole into eight equal parts, what you get is eighths. Now when I say three eighths, I mean split a whole into eight equal parts and give me three of them. So let's do a little bit of practice with this. Two fifths, split a whole into five equal parts and give me two of them. Now, what I want you to split is 10. So why don't you split 10 into five equal parts and give me two of them? When you split 10 into five equal parts, you have two here, two here, two here, two here, and two here. Five equal parts. Now, giving me two of these five equal parts, you're actually going to give me four. So two fifths of 10 is going to be four. Let's do a little bit of more work to consolidate our knowledge of this. This represents two thirds, right? Let's try to practice with that. The whole we're going to divide into three equal parts. The whole is, let's say the whole is 15. Now, once again, two thirds, divide the whole into three equal parts. This is the size of the fraction or the name of the fraction, thirds. Divide the whole into three equal parts and get two of them. Are they equal? Yes, they are equal. 5 here, 5 here, and 5 here. So we have divided 15 into three equal parts. Now, how many thirds are we talking about? We are using two thirds, right? Two thirds. So let's take two of this. This and this. One third, two thirds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 in total. So two thirds of 15 is going to be 10. One third is going to be 5, as we've seen. Two thirds is going to be 10. Now, the reason why three thirds is actually one whole is because three thirds mean everything, right? We have thirds. Get three of them. 1, 2, 3. When you get everything, you're going to have 5, 5, 5. You're going to go back to 15. Now let's also practice with 4/7, right? We're going to divide 35. The whole is 35, right? Seventh means divide a whole into seven equal parts. Equal, very important, equal parts. Each part is going to be seventh. Now the whole just happens to be 35. So we're going to have to divide 35 into seven equal parts. Excellent. Are they equal? Yes, they are equal. 5 in each group. Now we have divided 35 into seven equal parts. Seventh, 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 and seventh. Okay? Now we're going to take four of these seven equal parts. Right? One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. So how many parts have we taken in total? So we've taken 20 in total. So 4/7 of 35 is 20. Now, as a quick recap, we know that this is the numerator and this is the denominator. But let's not focus so much on this right now. In this video, I want to focus on what 2/3 actually means. We've established that this means two thirds. The same way you have two cell phones, one cell phone, two sandals, one sandal, any number at all, right? Thirds is the size or the name, right? Thirds. And thirds is what you get when you split a whole into three equal parts.